Welcome back, friends. In this video we will do the installation of SpiralLinux GNOME Spin. I already downloaded the GNOME Spin ISO. Let us start the installation right away. In last 4 to 5 installations I had tried with this ISO. I normally do the installation myself to test out the ISO. So during the testing it was found that the installation fails after the removal of 7 live image files, live images uh, is done. So immediately after the removal of the 7 live packages is done, the installation fails. So maybe it is there is some bug inside the installer. So what I will do is, instead of doing the manual installation, manual partitioning that I had tried, we will do the automatic partitioning. So let us select the Debian template. Debian 10 is available. Click on the next. In the resource allocation, use 4 GB of RAM and about 25 GB of HDD. Hit the create button. So we will boot into the live image. So there is a resolution issue. The window was very small, but the system will sort it out. Yes, now it is okay. Yes, so we are now booted into the live desktop, GNOME desktop. Looks like Ubuntu desktop. So at the top there is a language support app. So you can set the system languages and install the language packs from here. We will do it later. First let us start the installation. Double click on the installer. Very good, it has got a Calamus installer, so it will be easy for the new and intermediate users. Though the network connectivity is there, it has wrongly selected my local, so we have to correct it. Now for the keyboard layout, search for the Indian keyboard and then select the English India with rupee option. So I was already told you during the last 6 installations that I tried as a testing, the installer failed after the removal of 7 live packages was done. So we will not use the manual partitioning this time. Maybe this is the issue, real issue. There is some bug in the manual partitioning, or some packaging bug is there. So let us do the automatic partitioning. Erase the complete disk and do automatic partitioning. Now after you select the erase disk option, there will be more options to choose from, like no swap, swap with no Hibernate, swap with Hibernate, and swap to file. So we will select swap with no Hibernate, and there will be 4 file systems: Btrfs, XFS, file to file, and ext4. So we will go with the Btrfs because later on in the detailed review I will want to show you the snapper tool which creates the automatic snaps of the system. So we will use the Btrfs here, and bootloader location will be the MBR of the HDD. Now select the next button, input a simple name. In real life you have to do a strong name and password both. So use at least 8 character password with 1 uppercase character and 1 special case character, so it makes the password strong. Select next. Now it will show you the summary. You have to go ahead and hit the install button. Now let us wait for the installation to complete. So we will keep a watch whether the installation fails again or not. Okay, so we have succeeded in installing the GNOME spin of SpiralLinux. So earlier 6 times I have failed, but this 7th time I have done with automatic, that is the erase disk option. So this time the installation succeeded. Earlier I tried to do manual partitioning, but the installation did not succeed. So we stop our video here. In the next video we will do the detailed review of SpiralLinux GNOME spin. Thank you very much for being with us during the course of the video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, otherwise you will miss the new videos. Bye bye.